Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Ahmad appeared with another video from Ahmad Video Tutorials. In today's video tutorial, we will discuss how to create sample line and earthwork cross section and how to give them final touch for printing purpose. If you did not subscribe my channel before, so you just click on subscribe button and press bell icon to get update for each and every video. Let's start today's video tutorials. So friend, today's video may be going to be lengthy, so stay tuned because it will be very informative for you. So one more thing, I don't have now design surface, so I will go with the same EGL surface, but I will change this EGL name to PGL. PGL mean proposed ground level, proposed ground level, PGL. So now we have two surface, one is OGL original ground level and second is PGL proposed ground level. So now I am going to make this sample line. Sample line mean it will show you on which location cross section generate. So first of all I will go to section, you will find their sample line, create sample line, then we will click on alignment. Now here one main window is appeared, so you can change the name here, Earthwork. Then you can find there four options. One is section marks, section name and marks, section station. So I will go with section name. So other thing is OGL mean existing ground, OGL original ground level. So second is PGL proposed ground level. So when I click here, there is only two options, one is existing, one is finished. So I will go here with finished, apply OK. After this you will find here one more window, not window, it is toolbar. So here is sample line tool, we will click on here. This is a sample line creation method. There is a method by range, add station, pick point on screen and select existing polylines. So I will go with by range of stations. Now create sample line by station range. So here is left swept width is 20 meter. 20 meter mean this left side it will show you up to only 20 meter, but we will have to cover all the area up to here. So I will give them new value 425 left side and then 425 right side. Same here, sample line increments, sampling increments. There is range is 20 meter. Mostly we create this cross section at each 10 meter section, but because this is a tutorial, so we will avoid this any delay of by software. So I will go with 100 interval, 100 interval. Then additional sample controls I will make here through, so it will give us start and end cross section also. So I will press here OK. Now you can see here sample line created. I press enter again, so there is 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 100, 0 plus 200, so it's 100 interval cross section to avoid delay in software, because if I create a 10 meter intervals cross section, so this software will be getting little heavy, so drawing will not work properly. So this was our sample line. So now we will go to how to create earthwork cross section. For cross sections we will go to section tab. There is one option, create multiple section views. Now after clicking, we will find one more window here, create multiple views, section views, general. So here is our sample line which we already create in Earthwork with the name of Earthwork. And here is general information, start change is 00 and end change is 1 plus 149.34. So next option is section placement. So we will press next. Now here we can go with draft, and this will be basic. Then next, this is offset range. Right side this 425, left side, and the right side 425 meter. So we will click next. Elevation range, this is the uh, elevation for cross section. This will be different elevations for each cross section. So we will click next. Section display options. As we remember, OGL is existing surface, PGL is finished grade surface or proposed grade level. Now we will press next. So if you already have any template regarding this bands of bands, you can import that data band template. If you don't have, then we have to create. So I will show you how to create data band. So first of all, we will select here major station, offset and elevation. Select this one. Now you can see here there is three band types. Type is 3. There is 3 bands. Style is different: EGL, EG elevation, FG elevation, and offset. So we don't have EG, we have OGL. So I will make change here. OGL. Okay. Okay. Then I will click here. Then here, edit current selection. Then PGL. Apply. Okay. Okay. And third is offset. So we have 3 band types, styles. One is OGL, PGL, and third is offsets. So OGL band required OGL surface, so we will change here OGL. Second surface also OGL, and PGL band required PGL surface 1, PGL surface 2. So we already have PGL. For this third band offset, there is no requirement for any PGL or OGL. So this may be as per default, no requirement. So click here, create section views. After clicking create section view, we will click on working window or top of our lawn. So after clicking, you can see here cross section are created already, but this is not proper way to submit this cross section. We have to make this proper. So now we will make them proper for printing purpose. So friend, these 3 bands are here. One is existing elevation, second is proposed elevation, and third is offset. So we will first of all make this change to proper size. This all of 3 bands, change their text color and also line colors. Then we will make this ticks smaller and also give them other color. So we will click here on this section. Then you can find their option is section view properties. Now these 3 bands appear here. You can find from here section view properties, and here is bands. So first is OGL, second is PGL, and third is offset. So I will make this one OGL lower. So I will select here on this band, then I will click this arrow. So this OGL will be come down on second, you can see here. So I will press apply, then I will go to change this offset band. One more thing, first of all we also need to check this PGL band. surface must be PGL. So you can find here PGL, and section second must be PGL. So this is also PGL. In second tab, OGL must be OGL surface. So if you click here for section 1, it will show you OGL, and then if you click on second, it will be OGL. So this is correct. Now I will go to this offset. From here you can click here, press the down arrow to select an action. So I will make here edit current selection, offset band. So from here you can modify this size of band, height, vertical, horizontal, then text, then tick color, text color, everything you can change from here. So first of all I will make this band title block, which is on the left side of cross section. So I will make this band height 20 mm, then this text box height is 45, and no need for this one. Then I will go to then I will go to compose labels. From here you can see this is offset, you can find here offset. Text height is 3.5, I make 3. Then this is non-requirement other, yes, here you can find this color. So I will make this white color for text. You can see here white color appeared. Now I will apply and OK. So now we will make this tick which was showing before, long ticks yellow color. So I will make them 1 mm top and 1 mm bottom, then minimum 1 1 center line 1 1 1 1 1 and 1. Here you cannot find any option, so no need to change here. Now we'll go to display. If you see here border, band border is yellow color, we will make this one white. Band title box blue, we will make this white. Then this is, there is a option is dim, so you cannot make change here. Then you can see here tick at margin inserment. So here is green, you can make this in gray. Then this is off, here you can make tick at center line. This is must be gray. Off, off, off. There is dim option. So here is nothing remaining. Apply. Okay. Again go to edit current section, band details, and now we will compose label and about this offset. Click here. Now you can find here text value is 2.5 and his rotation angle is 0. You can see here 0. When I will press 90, it will be change. You can see here. Okay. Then if you see here contents, click here. Click here. You can find only 2 precision. You can make this one 3. After this one, you can insert from here. You can see change came here. Now you can go with OK. Now you want to, if you want to change the color of text, you can go here, click, then color select white. Now you can see this is the white color. So this section already modified. So only if you see here center line color is still green, so we need to go here in center line. So first we will apply here, apply, OK. Then we will go to center line, again compose label. Now again you go to contents, click here, select this text. You can see only prism once, so you can make 3. then insert. After insert you can see change here. Okay, now you can make color white. Okay, give angle 90, so you can see all the text color is white and at 90 angle. So press OK, apply. Okay, okay. So after clicking apply and OK, you can see bottom band of our offset is changed by color, by size. You can see here. This is right side, so this is plus, and the other side, left side, represent minus. So now same way we will apply on other two bands. So now I will go to existing elevation. We will change the name of existing to OGL. I will click right click, then we will select section view properties. Now here is OGL. Go to OGL, edit current selections. Same thing which we applied before for band height is 20, and this one is 40. So now I will change the tick here, 1 mm, 1 mm, minor 1 mm, then center line 1 mm. Same way we will apply to all. There is no option. So now this finish. Now I go to this title text compose label. Here if you see here, you can find the existing elevation. So I will make change here, OGL, apply, then text 3 mm, rotation is not required. We will change color here, white. Okay, now this is okay. I think there is we required some offset, X offset. I will make 2.5. Now I will not make any change here. After I will show you why I will make this change. So just apply. Okay, now we will go to display. Band border is yellow. We will go with white, white. Then yes, this major minor, this must be gray, 8 color, and stick at center line, this must gray 8 color. Then this one dim, there is no other options, so I will click apply, and then I will go to wound tail. Now I will go to this compose level. This will be elevation. So here is 2 prism. I will change to 3. Okay, then text is 2.5, then color required is white. Now you can see here, apply, sorry, yes, from here you can change this color format. You can make here white, apply. It's not showing here, but when you go to working area you can find there white. So this is finish, apply, sorry, click here, major increments. We will go to compose level. Now we will make this elevation change, 1 prism to 3 prism. Okay, then 90 angle. Okay, 2.5 mm white, then this color must be white. Okay, and now you can see, apply. Okay, now we will make change in center line text color. Same thing, click here, present 3, insert. Okay, then go to color, white, okay, and apply, okay. So it's finished. Now I will press apply, okay, okay, apply, okay. One thing, if you see here, there is difference between these bands. So I will change to, I will open and then see what is the reason. Yes, this must be 40 and this will be 25. Apply, okay. So you can see here both bands are proper aligned, but you can see there is text is not proper, so I will discuss later. First we will make change in this first tab from top. So first tab is PGL. I will click here and go to edit current selection. Now we will make this one 20, text box width 40, then this will be propose elevation to PGL, okay. Then text 3, rotation not required, color we will change to 160. This is, I will explain further why I make this one 160, okay. So this one is finish, okay. Now we will make this change 1 1 1 1, center line 1 is 1. Okay, so now I will press major increments and compose labels. Now we will make change here. This is 2 precision. We will make this 3, or further we will discuss about this one. Leave it time being. So I will change this text white, okay. Then center line text white, okay. Now I will go to display and change here. First this must be white, white, option off, then this gray, okay, this gray, okay, another option are not required, apply, okay, apply, okay. So now you can see here our bounds are almost ready. Only one thing, if you see here, there is 3 precision in offset and this OGL also 3 precision, but we have 2 in PGL, so we will go to change this one to 3. So section, view properties, then PGL, click here, address current selections, then band details for measurement. You can go to press label, compose label, and here elevation. You can click here and then 3. Okay. Okay. So this also become 3 precision. Now if you see here, there is a difference between location of text. Offset is a little bit inside the cell, but PGL and OGL is on edge, so we'll change them. Compose label, then make X offset 2.5, apply. You can see this is little bit moved. Same thing in OGL band. Compose level, then go to X offset 2.5. Apply. You can see there is moved. So okay, okay, okay. So now text is also aligned. So our bands are ready. So we will go to modify this our section top view. Now we will select this section area, then click on edit section view style. This is information, this is a road section, then graph. So here is vertical is 1, I will go with 10, horizontal 1, vertical 10, scale factor. Apply. Now you can see this all sections are overlapped. Now we will correct them first. Now go to setting, then find out here section view, setting, then section view, and we will go to section, then click here, section style, here, yes, section view style. There is group plot style, we will click here, basic, edit. We can make this one 100 column and 100 row. So this is you see here, this is 100 mm difference between both sections, and here is 100 mm difference distance between sections. So you can go with by row, first section, second section, third section, or by column, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like this one. So display, okay, so this is okay. Now we press apply, okay. You can see after some time it will be proper, there is no overlapping. Now we will make this edit sections view style. Now grid, just you press both section off, then from here make this one 0, below datum 0, and above minimum elevation 0, so you can find maximum space for your cross section. Apply, you can see there. Now title, okay, horizontal axis. So this is major tick to tail. This is 10-meter interval information, like OGL level and PGL level. So we will not change here. If you want to change, you can make this one bigger value, for example 15, 20, 25, but it's better if you go with 10. So no need to change here. Now we will make change here in vertical axis. This is 10 interval, we will make this one 10 to 1 interval, okay. No need to change here. This is for right side. Now click on left side, this is also 10, go with 1, make apply. After apply, you can see here there will be more rows, you can find here. Apply, see, okay. But before going okay, you just go to display. Now this is graph title green, we will make with go with white. Left axis white, left axis title white. Sorry, this is already off. So left axis annotation major white, okay. Then this left axis tick major gray, because this one is tick. Then right axis white, okay. Then right axis annotation gray, okay. then right axis orientation measure. This is already off, so no need to change. Right axis tick measure, gray, okay, off. Top axis white, then these leaders off. Then here you can see bottom axis white. Then we can see here grid horizontal measure and vertical. This is grid, you can see here white color, so I will go with gray color. So first we make this one grid horizontal measure. This must be gray, okay, then this must be gray, add color number. After apply you can see changing here, you can see apply. So here you can see 56 elevation, 56 meters, 57 meters, this is data, and here is PGL. Now I will explain why I give this Billy 160 color to PGL, because this PGL is showing this line. This line is PGL line, so this color and this PGL text and this color line is same. So PGL elevation is showing here and OGL's elevation is showing here. So you can see here our cross section. Now you can see there is distance between vertical in between two sections. Now we will go again to basic, edit, array, apply, okay. Now the distance between section will be reduced, you can see here. So friends, this is our tutorial for the today for cross section. You can see here one more thing I want to explain you. You can make text this line weight change. So you just click here on this line, go to edit section style. Now you can find this color here. If you want to change the line color, you can make from here line type. For example, I will select this dashed, okay, dashed, okay. Then you can make this scale 2.5, line weight, line scale 2.5. Then you can make here line weight. I will go with 0.30, 0.30. Lovely. Okay. Because our line weight is option off, when I on this option it will be darker. Okay, you see. Same thing we will apply with OGL line. Click OGL line, click on edit section style. Now you can change from here white, by default already white, but you can make white. Line type dashed, dashed. Line type scale 2.5, 2.5. Then you can make this line weight 0.30, 0.30. Apply, okay. Now you can see friends, your section are ready to print out. You see here is our proposed ground elevation or PGL, proposed ground level. You can see here this is line here, you can find elevation here. Line is up to here, so you cannot see any elevation here. So same like this, our OGL line is up to here, so you can see here OGL elevation up to here, and this is our right side and left side offsets, and here is change. For example, if you see here which location 0 plus 700 section is coming, you go in section view and you can find here 700. So in our section from here to here there is line of OGL, and this green to this green you can find line here in 700 section. Yes, 700 section, you can see blue line is less, white line is more. Same here 700 section. width of white line is more than green line. So this is our tutorial for the day, how to create a sample line and earthwork cross section, and how to give them final touch for printing purpose. So in next tutorial we will discuss how to get quantity from our cross section. So I hope you get information from this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.